Hi everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a makeup tutorial on this nice spicy look. Gingerbread spicy look. I really felt like doing something in the orangey, something dark, something for winter, to be honest with you guys. This is what I came up with. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my face and everything, and I also did this eye as well. So everything is going to be indicated in the info box for you guys. If you guys are curious to know what I have on my face, on my brows, and all of that, everything's gonna be in the info box down below. I'm gonna start off with the eyes. Today I'm using the one and only Too Faced Gingerbread Spice. Gingerbread Spice palette. It looks like that. I really needed to have something Christmassy, and this one is very close to Christmas for me, so that's why I really wanted this palette this year. So it looks like that. It's so cute. This smells amazing. Smells so good. So I wish I can eat it and not put it on my eyes, but the only option we have is to put it on the eyes. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is applying a base. I'm going to be using the PLouise base. I finally got my hands on this. I really want to know what's the hype, and it's been 2-3 times I've been testing it off camera, so I want to test it with you guys, and so far I am really liking it. So you definitely need to put a tiny bit because this stuff is very pigmented. And I just take my sponge and I just blend it everywhere. You can use a brush or your finger or whatnot. I really like the effect that the sponge does with this product, so this is what I do. You really don't need much with this product because I've tried it, trust me, and it was just way too much. And this is number Rumour 01. I'm gonna be taking a color called Ginger Latte, which is this color right here. I'm just going to apply this color all over the crease area, and as you guys all know, I really like to smoke out my inner corners, so this is what I'm doing with this. And I'm using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush in JH30. And I'm just going to apply this into the crease area and blend it outwards. I'm trying to do that kind of rounded shape onto this eye as well. I don't know, I just felt like doing something dark, but a colorful dark, and this is what I came up with. Applying the same color to the lower lash line as well, so Ginger Latte, and I'm taking a smaller brush. This is also from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. This is the JH40, and I'm just going to put that on the lower lash line and blend it out. And as you guys all know, I love to have a smoked up lower lash line, so that is what I am doing today. Today I'm doing kind of like my favorite look and the look that I really love to have on my eyes. Next color I'm going to be taking is called Spice is Nice, which is this bright orange right here. This is like the only color that I really wanted to try it other than this one, but this one is going to be used in another tutorial. But I really wanted to try Spice is Nice, and I'm taking it with a little shader brush. This is also from MAC. This is the 239 brush. Sorry, my names and my numbers has been smudged off of this brush. So I'm just going to take this color and pack it onto my lid area and bring it just a little bit in the crease. And I'm taking the first brush that I used and I'm just going to blend it out in the crease area just to kind of have it blended together. And I'm taking a small little brush, smaller crease brush I guess. This is from MAC. This is the 221 brush. And I'm going to be taking Gingerbread, which is this shade right here. It's kind of like a brick color, which I really like in this palette. and I'm going to concentrate this color into the crease, blending it with Gingerbread Latte and Spice is Nice. And I'm gonna be taking it also with the bigger brush that I used at the beginning and just blend everything out to make it just a hint darker. I'm also taking gingerbread and applying it on the lower lash line and obviously smoking it out. And I'm also going to be taking a little bit of Spice is Nice and apply it on the lower lash line as well. Now I have this big brush, there's nothing on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab it and just kind of blur out the edges. I love this technique because it just, you know, it just creates more of a nice blended effect. And then I'm going to be taking Frostbite Me. It's a cute name. This one right here. And this one, you guys, is pretty sheer on its own. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit of my setting spray. I'm using the All Nighter from Urban Decay. And I'm just going to spray it on my brush. This is a little pencil brush from MAC, and this is the 219 brush. I'm just going to grab a little bit of that color and apply it in the inner corners. It's more of a glittery shade than a color kind of shade. It just has, it's like pretty much transparent, but it has glitter in it. So for it to stay better on the eye, you definitely need to wet your brush to do so, because on its own it doesn't really show, to be honest. So I would say this shade Frostbite Me, it's more of a messy shade. It's very sheer in my opinion. I'm not a big fan of it because I would prefer a color like that to be more shimmer, more opaque, but I like it. You know, if it's wet, this is how it looks like. It's glittery, and who does not like glitter? So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm going to be using the Benefit They're Real. But before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Apply a thin coat of mascara on my lashes. I know I kind of look weird. I like to look down on my mirror when I apply my mascara. Like that, I don't get it on my skin and ruin the beautiful colors that I have applied on. Just like that. I love this mascara so much, you guys. I mean, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. These has been a while and I miss them so much. They're my favorite lashes ever. These are from Crown Lashes. These are called Lovesick. I love these so much. If you guys want to buy anything from Crown Lashes, use code NEWER10 for 10% off your purchase. I highly recommend you to try these babies. They are so nice on. They're like my favorites ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply those, and I'll be back to finish up the face with you guys. The lashes are finally on. I went ahead and I applied a red on my waterline. This is from MAC. This is the Chromagraphic called Basic Red, and I just applied it in the waterlines, and it looks like that. This is actually for the eyes, it's not for the lips. So I love those. They have a whole bunch of funky colors. I'm not sure if they still have them. When I was at MAC, they had them at the MAC Pro store, but I guess you can get them online as well. So that is that. So for my face, I already went ahead and applied some bronzer. I used my new Too Faced. This is the Chocolate Soleil in matte. So I already went ahead and applied that on my face. I'm not gonna go ahead and overdo my face, you know. I'm just gonna keep it subtle. I might add just a little bit more. I love bronzers, as you guys know. I love bronzers. I love to add more, a little bit more. Just to browns up the face. And I need to bring out my beauty mark, so I'm gonna do that. My beauty mark likes to hide, but I like it to show. And then for blush, lately I've been really loving this, so I guess I'm gonna go ahead and use it. This is the Urban Decay Cherry Highlight and Blush Palette. And I'm just gonna grab the shade in the middle, the pinky one. And I'm just going to lightly apply that on the apples of my cheeks. And then for highlight, I feel like applying something blinding. I guess I'm gonna take this. It's been a while, I haven't used it either. This is the Jeffree Star Highlight in Skin Frost Eclipse. I think this is the one when he did with Manny MUA. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my face. I'm just applying a little bit of my setting spray. I'm gonna wait till that dries out because I really hate applying highlight right away because it kind of streaks on my face and I don't like that. Not a cute look. I'm just gonna grab it with the Morphe & Jacqueline JH09 and apply that on my face for a cute highlight, you know? Because we're just living the moment. So I am highlighted. I love this glow. It's very nice. Then for lips, this is from Fenty Beauty. I haven't used it yet. I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty lip paint, Stunna lip paint in Unveil, which is the brown. I don't know, I feel like wearing a dark lip. I'm like hesitant between Uncuffed, which is this one, or this one, but I guess I'm going to go with this. Alright you guys, the lips are on and I love this color so much. It's so pretty. I love it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said in the beginning, everything that's on my face is gonna be in the info box for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or concerns, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll try to get you guys as soon as I can. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.